Hello and welcome. My name is Chitendra Prajapati. Today I'm excited to present a proprietary solution we have developed, the H2H Bank Payment Integration for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain Management. In the UAE, businesses working with major banks like Mashreq, ADCB, CBD, and FAB face a common challenge where the vendor payment processing is manual, fragmented, and time consuming. Finance team generates payment file separately, manually upload them to bank portal, and then track the payment status is one by one before posting the journal. This is not only inefficient, it's error prone. Our solution solves this end to end entirely within D365. So our solution supports both SFTP file-based and API-based integration. So depending on bank's capability and client's preference, they can choose whichever protocol best fits their setup. Now, without taking much time, let's go into the D365 system and see how this integration works. Let me create one vendor payment journal. So for that, I will go to accounts payable, vendor payment journal. I will click new and select a vendor payment journal name which is created for H2H. I will go to line, will select a vendor, enter the amount, or I can settle the invoices. Will select the currency in which I want to make the payment. Will select the bank account from where my amount will be deducted and the method of payment. Here I will select H2H method of payment. In addition to this, there are certain required details we have to send to bank for processing the payment. So for that we have H2H tab created. So the transaction type, the payment details, the deal reference number, the deal rate, dealer name, deal date, all this information we can capture here. In addition to that, there are certain information that has to be there, which is a vendor bank account that must be present. Then the purpose code. Here I will select a purpose code. I will select, let's select this. We'll go to list, save this, again come back. Now, before running my integration, if I want to see, if I want to preview what details I am going to send, so for that we have H2H and I can generate the output preview. When I click on this, I can go to H2H preview and here I can see all the details I am sending to the bank. Now, as a part of process, I will be submitting the workflow. Now, the approval will approve the workflow. Click on H2H, click on payment status details. Here I can see the payment details. Okay. Now I will click on generate file, which is a payment initiation where I am sending all the payment details to the bank. On basis of that, bank will process the payment. This I am doing it. We can create a batch job for the payment initiation, which will do the automated payment generation. Once the payment generation is done, the status will be updated to sent. Also, we can see the batch reference number we are getting in return. If there is any failure, we can get the negative acknowledgement here and positive acknowledgement we are getting here. The status also we can see here. Now, the next step would be to do the inquiry status to check the status of vendor payment. The bank has made the payment or not. And these also we can automate through the batch job. Here we are not only maintaining the status at a vendor journal level, we are also maintaining the status at line level. For that, I will click on line details and can see the H2S status is sent. Also, the message we will be getting if any message or any response we are getting from the bank, that is we are storing here. The payment request is pending with bank, like that. Once payment is finally made, the status will change to approved. All, and now the journal is good to post. Now I can come to vendor payment journal and click on post button to post it. Now the question may arise, what happens if the journal is approved partially? There are some payment lines which are approved, meaning that bank has made the payment, and there are some lines for which the payment is not successful due to any reason. So in case of partial, we will have a payment status like partially approved, and the payment posting we will do the post and transfer, which will only post the lines which are successfully paid, and create a new journal for the errored lines. So user will take a look, make some required modification, again submit for the workflow and follow the same process to process the payment. So this is all about the demo within D365. Yeah, thank you.